Hello, so welcome to another tutorial video. This time we will be teaching you how to create an OnlineJobs.ph account, upload all your necessary skills and background details, and how to find jobs. Plus, we'll go through some of their facts. So here we go. If you already have an account, just go to that and edit. But if you're new, go to OnlineJobs.ph and sign up. Input everything that is provided here, your full name, email address, password, and you must be Filipino. OnlineJobs.ph is only available for Filipino workers here in the abroad. So if you're not Filipino, you're not able to create an account. I'm sorry. Answer the security question and click on these boxes so they know that you don't have any other accounts aside from the one you were creating. So check on that, check on your emails before if you already have an account, because they might ban you if you create another account. Multiple accounts are not allowed. So once you're inside, you will not see this yet because you still have to upload your photo and include all these other details, your tagline, availability. You can also take tests and upload your documents. But to show you how it works, this is how to edit that. This is what you see after registering. So you register for an account, create a profile. This is the third portion. You have to rate your skills. This is self-assessment. So if you don't have skills for anything, just don't click on the yellow button, which has the stars. You can only click for this one, the 4 stars. I'm an expert 12 times. So anything beyond that is not allowed unless you change it later. So you delete one and add another. So this depends on whatever skills you have currently. English, writing. Just don't lie about it because they have fact checkers. If you're done with ratings, you can then view your account or apply for jobs. So this is how your account looks like. The ID proof, later on, we'll check the FAQs, what that means. But first, this is how to find jobs. Data entry is one of those easy jobs anyone can do, even if you're a newbie, have zero experience at all working online. The search results page looks like this. You can click on a job category. Data entry is usually under office and admin. Show up. Other types of tasks newbies can do are research and transcription. Also Excel. Anyone has had experience with it at school? For English, they have tutoring or writing. That's something you can do or have done before. Writing as well. You can blog if you have blogged before. You can do that. Marketing and sales, social media and Facebook marketing or any other types of social media marketing you've done. YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram is available here. So if you've done that before, it's alright. It's also included for lead generation and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something you can do if you have acquired the skills or training. It's just selling other people's work, digital or service. SEM is for Google, search engine marketing optimization. Other categories included advertise, graphics. If you're familiar with any of this. Professional services is very specific. So if your background is legal, real estate, engineering, or medical, we also have jobs that are apt for you. Software or programming. If you have background in call centers, this is available for you. And finance, if you're in the banking industry, you can do this. Or if you're an accountant. And webmaster, if you've done WordPress or content management. And project management for different types of jobs. Just click on the keyword here or on the job categories. You can also choose between either freelance or project basis. You can work with different clients at the same time, provided that you deliver on time. Part-time is anything below 8 hours that you do on a constant basis. Full-time is 8 hours or more if they require weekend support. I also encourage you, if you haven't found a perfect job yet, to subscribe to their newsletter. It will be sent to your inbox daily, and they'll provide you with all the new job posts that they receive or posted on that day. In the last 30 days, they received 6,000 new job posts. You can also bookmark a job. So for example, you click on you can bookmark later so you can apply. At a later time if you're still not ready. But one big tip, always read the job overview because they might be providing some important details and requirements that you will need to address before you apply. And if you do not follow the instructions, your application will not be accepted. Or it will be ignored. You can send up to 10 applications daily. So more thought out applications are getting higher chances of being hired. So apply with caution. Another tip, they have this way to send files. It's a bit complicated and they want you to use this form. So in case to be more savvy looking, I urge you to use either Dropbox or Google Drive. So you could just upload your files in there, for example, resume, your cover letters, or whatever, CV, or digital proof of your work, and then just share to them the link, private or public link, which are not editable, just for viewing. So they could paste that on their browser later, or click on it, just click a button. They also have a blog if you're like into more tips. You have that here. Another important piece of tool that they provide easily and freely is a time proof. So download that depending on your system. This is applicable for part-time and full-time workers who work by the hour because it helps them, your clients, it helps them see how many actual hours that they used for their daily requirements, whatever. When you have this, your time proof app or tool will automatically screenshot whatever it is you're doing. So I encourage you, if you're already using this and working, don't do anything else when time proof is on, because it will capture random times. So let's go over some facts, very important. So in accounting, this is for employers. Where is that facts? So another tip is, this is your account link. You can post it in social or your blog or wherever. You can also you must click active here for the account status, because if it's not green, clients will not be able to see your profile and you won't be able to edit. This one is there, but it will not push through. So the FAQs for online job workers, you get paid through either Pioneer or PayPal. You can set this up here in payments. I use PayPal and Pioneer. You can also use EasyPay, which is their built-in system. Western Union is not advisable if you want more security. Also, the terms of payment for new employers or customers, weekly is advisable to lessen the risk of not getting paid. But then, if you encounter someone that doesn't pay, OnlineJobs PH can help you out with this budget, because they have details of the contact information for employers to sign up, and most of them have premium accounts, because clients who pay premium are the only ones allowed to contact and see more details about online workers they want to hire. So in case you already are messaging someone or have applied for a job post and they replied, they usually provide an email or it's shown somewhere, so to be able to verify that the employer is legitimate and it's that they're included in the database of clients. You can search for their names or their emails in this employer search. ID proof, the one you see here, the 95, it is automatically determined by OnlineJobs PH. What affects is include connection to Facebook. It's required for all signups. That's the system's way of telling if you're a real person or not. Also, your government ID. Some government IDs include that are legitimate and are allowed to include driver's license, your SSBM ID, company ID, and then if you're still working out. In the government owned enterprise, for example, if you work in SSS, you can use that. And then the ID proof will be automatically calculated depending on the types of ID you provide and whatever other information you include. Only premium account clients can see your LinkedIn profile. You need to take the tests which are here. This for personality, IQ, and English. There are many other tests. You can take. Oh, I think there's just 8. And you go to this link later for more information to do this. And then it's not required, to be honest, but employers get to see more details about your skills and any other details about your experience if you have those tests. Don't lie on your profile because they will be determined, and any satisfied customers will notify online jobs. You don't need to be a college graduate. Just have some training even if you're just a high school graduate. So, if you're working full-time in an office setting currently and want to apply in OnlineJobs PH, it's risky, but you can try part-time first or freelance. Depends. Just don't do full-time because you already have a current full-time job. Replacing it with something it might be bad for your health because you won't be able to sleep much. Job interviews are dependent on the client. They can either have email or video call. Depends. Can you apply for a job if you're abroad? As long as you're Filipino, regardless of country, you can. So they don't allow other nationalities. They have a contact us button. So if you like have questions, go here. I've tried it before. They respond super fast. I don't know if it's real or someone is there or they're auto their responses. But regardless, you can also message them on Facebook. Here, that's the link. Message us. So, if you have any other questions, just put them down in the comments below. And we'll see you next week for a new video. Thanks very much.